Find out what it would be like if you lived here.
Hi, Koki.
Hey, Koki.
Hi, Dr. Christine. How you doing?
Nice to
Great,
meet
great.
you.
All right, guys, we're here at the first property of the 3 that we're going to see today. You know I love Silver Spring, very special to me.
This is a really, really cute home.
This is a beautiful, quaint property here in Highland View Park.
Aw, this is super cute.
This is just as I imagined this style home to be.
I love this entryway.
So do I.
And look, it's so efficient. You can sit down on the bench, you can put your shoes underneath, you can hang your coats.
But I know what you liked right from the get-go when we walked in.
I love the wood screen. That's really, really cute.
It is. And you know, I love these style homes. What I love most is this hardwood floor because you know it's original, it's refinished.
And it creaks just the right amount. It's kind of charming.
It is.
Love this living room. It's a great place to entertain and kick back.
You just want to make yourself right at home. Now I'm noticing the one thing that you absolutely love, fireplaces.
Wood-burning fireplaces. Love the smell. I love the pops. You know, it's something that gas doesn't have. And this is just a very traditional Cape Cod feature. I love it. And here we are in the dining room. And I think it's a perfect size for this house.
It is, and you know, if you wanted to, you could put in even a little larger table.
And I like how they did this floating buffet.
Well, you know how I feel about floating furniture. For me, it just collects dust bunnies, and you know I'm not the best housekeeper.
Not the best housekeeper. Check out the kitchen.
Yep. Wow, this is actually a very nice sized kitchen. Even though it's small, it has a lot of cabinet space.
And counter space.
And counter space, you're right.
And again, lights. It's got two windows and a door. I think that's what makes it seem a little bigger too. Love the little side porch out back. You know, the deck, that's where it's at. I'd be out there every day.
Right, right, and you can wash dishes, do stuff. I like it. I think it fits very well for this size.
Wow, you were multitasking there.
I am. I'm multitasking. And speaking of multitasking, you want to check out downstairs?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, this looks like a whole other living space down
Sure
here.
does.
Oh, it's because it is. Wow.
Huh. Little living area.
And you know, the ceilings, can feel a little low in a basement, but this feels really actually good.
I think if you were 6'5", they would seem
Maybe
a
a little.
Ah.
Oh, this is a nice size space.
Very nice. This floor, just that little living room there, and this a great rental.
It would, or if you have family coming or an in-law suite.
Yep.
But, how would you like to have guests over and say, hey, you have your own fireplace?
Sounds dangerous.
I think it sounds cozy. So, let's check out the upstairs.
Wait. Put the brakes on. We haven't even seen the rest of this floor.
Oh, you're right.
This house gets
Oh my
bigger and bigger
gosh.
by the second. So this looks like it's the main bedroom.
And it's actually a nice sized room. Plenty of room for a good sized bed,
Oh, look how
dresser.
pretty the trees are outside.
Yeah, what a nice
Lush.
view.
Yeah.
Yep.
Really nice.
Yep. Okay, let's go check out, let's see.
The bathroom.
It's a modern look in a 1940s house.
Yeah.
Do you know what's great about this bathroom?
What's that?
I can sit, I can brush my teeth.
You can multitask.
I can do everything.
Oh, and this would be the second bedroom, but it looks like they've been using it as an office and a laundry room. So this is an laundry room.
Let's just call it a multi-purpose room.
That sounds good.
That's great.
I'll take it.
So let's go check out the upstairs now. Oh, cute doors.
They are cute.
Yeah.
Nice stairs. Watch your head. Oh, look.
Oh,
Wow, this is a nice
cute.
surprise. It is a nice room for a bedroom or a TV room, right?
It is, or a little play area. But what I love is the built-in file cabinet.
Well, that's where all the secrets are kept. Why don't we take a little seat here, have a little talk.
So now that we've seen the entire house,
Mm-hmm.
do you have a listing price in mind?
I think I have a listing price in mind. Yes, ma'am.
Well, let's go talk to Koki then.
Sounds good.
Oh, okay.
have to watch them.
Yeah, a little bit.
So what'd you guys think?
Really cute.
Super
Nice house.
cozy. That lower level, it is perfect for Airbnb or an in-law
In-law
suite.
Could be a great income generator.
Very much
Sure
so.
enough.
John, what do you think?
I love the kitchen. For such a small space, it is a lot of cabinetry in there. And of course, out back is my favorite. I love the side porch. I love the deck.
The deck is my favorite too.
I'd practically live out there.
You just sit out there and relax and listen to the birds chirp. See how quiet it is?
It's very
So
quiet.
peaceful here.
Yeah.
That's why
I
he
love
makes it a great family home because the neighborhood is so quiet.
Yeah.
Are you ready to guess?
I am. So I'm gonna let you guess first.
Oh, that's very kind of you.
Thank you.
I am going to make a guess of 525,000.
525. Okay, Christine.
I say you're too low. I mean,
Well, go big
it's
or go
beautiful.
home.
I'm going to go with 545,000.
So you have 525
Yes, sir.
and 545. If I took the average of both guesses, then you'd be right at the list price of $535,000.
Applause all around. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
I'm not really applauding.
Congratulations, Christine. We have 2 more houses to see.
And
I'm rooting for you, all right?
Thank you.
Come on.
And I can't wait to see them.
All right, let's go check them out.